How to rebook my flight in Fly Emirates Airlines. Now, need to change your Emirates flight, whether your travel plans have shifted or you simply need a new departure date. Emirates offers flexible rebooking options. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about rebooking your flight with Emirates Airlines, including the fees, policies, online and offline methods, and tips to avoid extra charges. Now, before we head over into our guides, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to understand Emirates rebooking policy. Before we begin the rebooking process, it's essential to understand Emirates flight change policies. Now, they have free booking. Some tickets allow one free change depending on the fare type and conditions. You have change fees. If your ticket is non-flexible, you may have to pay a fee to modify your booking. We have the fare differences. Even if you qualify for a free booking, you may need to pay the fare differences if the new flight is more expensive. And lastly, we have time limits. Changes should be made before the original departure time to avoid penalties. Now, if you want to go ahead and view more about policies for changing and canceling booking, you can just navigate through their official website right here about the changing or rebooking of your flight. For example, right here, there's an article on will I have to pay any fee for changing the ticket. Once again, some fees and charges may apply, making changes to your booking depending on the fare conditions of your ticket. You can just navigate through this page to learn more about this topic right here. Right after that, let's navigate through on how we can simply rebook or Emirates flights online. Now, the fastest, easiest way to go ahead and change your Emirates flights is through the official website or the mobile application. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the Emirates.com website and log in into your account by clicking on the login button. From there, we can then navigate through the manage option. And once inside, we then have the option to simply cancel our booking, change your booking, choose your seat, and more. In our case, we can then go ahead and click on the change your booking. Right after that, you then have to enter your last name, your booking reference, and you then have to click on the retrieve booking. In here, they also have a short tutorial on how you can make changes on your Emirates flights. Now, if you have booked through a travel agent, you need to contact them to make the changes. In here, you have to enter your booking details above and change the dates of your flight, change the departure time, change a connecting flight, or your cabin class. You can see how much it would cost to add or remove flights in your itinerary or to include a stopover. Now, they'll go ahead and show you the price difference before you confirm any changes in your flight right here. And your charges will apply to all the passengers in your booking. If you need to make change for only one passenger in your booking, you then want to go ahead and get in touch with Emirates right here. And so right after changing the corresponding category right here, which is our departure time, the connecting flight, or your cabin class, you then have to confirm your booking. Now, once the payment is processed, your flight will be updated and you'll receive a confirmation email. We can also go ahead and do this via Emirates customer support. If you prefer assistance from an Emirates representative, you can call customer service or visit an Emirates ticket office. First things first, you want to call Emirates customer support. You can find the official customer service number on the website right here and request for a flight change. You simply want to navigate through their official website, scroll all the way down, and you will be able to see the special assistance tab. In here, you will be able to basically select your assistance. Right after that, we can also go ahead and visit an Emirates office. If you book through a travel agent or need in-person help, you want to visit an Emirates ticketing counter at the airport. We can also do this via live chat or email. Now, for some region, Emirates offers live chat support where you can request a flight modification. Now, we can also go ahead and rebook our Emirates flights using Skyward Miles. First things first, you want to log in into your Emirates Skyward account, go to the Manage Booking, and inside, you then want to click on the Modify Flights option. Right after that, If necessary, you want to pay any fare differences with additional miles or cash, confirm your rebooking, and you'll receive the updated e-ticket via email. Now we can also rebook an Emirates flights through a travel agent. If you book your flight through a third-party travel agent, the rebooking process may be slightly different. Instead of modifying your booking directly with Emirates, you'll need to contact the travel agency where you purchased your ticket. First things first, you want to reach out through your travel agent. Call or email your agent and request for a flight change. You want to check for additional fees. Some travel agencies charge extra fees for modifying your booking. You want to verify Emirates policies if still applicable. Even if booked through a third party, Emirates fare rules will still govern any changes. And lastly, you want to confirm the new booking. Once the agent processes the change, you want to make sure to receive an updated itinerary and ticket confirmation. Now, rebooking due to flight cancellation or delays is another topic. If Emirates cancels or reschedules your flight, you may qualify for a free rebooking or refund. First things first, you have to check your email or Emirates accounts. Emirates will notify you about changes and provide free rescheduling options. You then want to call customer support. If you need a different date, you want to contact Emirates and request an alternative flight at no extra cost. Now some tips to simply avoid extra rebooking fees. You simply want to check your fare type. Flexible and premium fares often allow free changes, while economy tickets may have some restrictions. You also want to change your flight in advance. Last-minute changes can be more expensive than normal. You want to look for waivers. During special circumstances, weather, COVID-19 or etc., Emirates sometimes offers free waivers. And lastly, you can use Skyward Miles. If applicable, use miles to cover rebooking costs instead of cash. You may also rebook and cancel your Emirates flights using travel insurance. If you have purchased travel insurance, you may be eligible for a cost-free rebooking or canceling under specific conditions such as medical emergencies, missed connection, or trip interruptions. First, you have to check your insurance policy. Review your policy's coverage for flight changes and cancellation. You want to contact your insurance provider, request assistance, and explain the reason for your rebooking or canceling. You want to provide documentation. If needed, you want to submit proof of illness, delays, or other valid reasons for rescheduling or canceling. And lastly, you want to receive compensation or free rebooking canceling. If approved, your insurance provider may cover the cost of rebooking or canceling or provide a refund. Now, in conclusion, rebooking or canceling your Emirates flights is easier than you think. With multiple options like online modifications, customer support, travel agent assistance, and even travel insurance coverage to avoid unnecessary fees. You want to always check your ticket type, plan changes early, and you want to use Skyward Miles whenever possible. Whether you're changing your flight for convenience or due to an emergency, Emirates provides various rebooking methods or canceling methods to fit your needs. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thank you.